Old people must come off YouTube. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. No, I saw a lady. She made a video giving her 2 cents on a popular topic that has been going around. And someone pleased to mention that old people must come off YouTube. You stop it right there. Stop it right there. No, tell me something now. At what age you get old in a Jamaica? Because when you reach 40, you can't do nothing. You have to turn pillar of salt. You reach 40, so you have to turn pillar of salt. God not ready for you yet, but if you roll over, lie down, lifeless. The minute you reach 40 in a Jamaica, you have to roll over, lie down, and you must remain lifeless. Because you can't do nothing. You can't buy your first car. Worse if you're 50. You can't buy your first car. You can't buy your first house. You can't just drive. You're 40. You can't just have your first child. Where you do so long pan land. Make you just buy this and you just buy that. But me have news for uno. All of uno. We claim say uno young. A lot of you guys are claiming that you're young. And you have seen the mistake that the old one made. That is the 40-year-old and the 50-year-old. And we don't realize when I make the same mistake. We don't go back to school, a lot of you guys. Nothing at all you guys doing but running up and down a party. The same mistake. A lot of you guys. So we don't learn either. I wonder if you don't know, so by the time when you bat in the eye and open it, when you're 30, bat it again and open it, you're 40, bat it again and open it, and it goes on. It goes on. That is why some first world country, you have to love them, you know. And me can talk specifically for US. Because you not get old, yes sir. You don't get old. You know how many 80, 75, 80-year-old in places working? Me personally know that. They are working 70, 60-year-old just to get work. That to say that is their first job. But them come up to get them work. You couldn't try that shit at Jamaica. If you think you try that. If you think your name where you name at 70, tap up in another business place and tell them say you want work. The whole army come down, police come down, and Bellevue back at that. Bellevue come pick you up. Because you must be crazy. You understand? I entered nursing school when I was over 40. I bet you couldn't tell me where the interviewer asked me. I bet you nobody couldn't tell me. Why me choose this time to come? I mean, yeah, she talk about, you know. Is my age she's talking about. I'm never going to go waste time. I didn't go in there and waste time. Come out with my honors. So I want to know, what is the problem that Jamaicans have with persons who are 40 and over? And that's saying all of Jamaicans. Not all at all. But we have a serious problem with persons who are 40 and over. You can't wear certain clothes. You can't cook certain things. You can't just go and look and walk. You can't do this. You can't just are married. The only place them put you is in church, and that's good. But for nothing else, you fi turn up and be that wife. As you touch 40, so you turn up there, so. No move. Huh? I didn't know that YouTube put restriction on ages. I never know that. Look at the platform, how large it is. And you believe that the persons are competing with you guys. No. There's no competition there. Me never know there is a required age to be there. I didn't know that. As don't care how old you be. And you talk with your voice a crack up. And your hand a shake when you hold the phone. YouTube so come with your video. You come. And if it monetize, I'm going to pay you too. So I don't know. When I take up YouTube business, I going to tell people about people for come off of YouTube. Come off of YouTube. You can just imagine. Oh, the same chicken one I love for sit down and yam. When you find out how old the founder was, just go Google how old he was when he founded that company, and it ran up to the day. There is no other fried chicken company will come over it. He was over 60. I make a search as me attack right now. Because I'm sure say he was over 60. You couldn't do that at JA. Them would have take away the chicken from you, the company. Because you're too old. Yes, so see there? Man is 62. 62-year-old. 62. So if him did put him dreams, typical Jamaican, them would have tell him, go sit down. You're 62-year-old, which part you go? But you got to start company at this age. You should have started that from your 10. Yeah. And them don't know them age. They don't know. They're talking about old people and they don't know their age, what they're to do at what age. Them start the things from too early. That is their problem. Them start take up big manship, as my mother would say, too early. Uno plant one tree out a door and think say, by tomorrow morning or next week, when I go see it start bear fruit. No, everything takes time to go, for mature, on a force ripe. Because I don't know nothing. I want to jump up in the things and bang on the head against the wall. You understand me? Uno start do too much things we don't know about too early. What boy and girl talking about? Uno stay there watch old people will take them time grow and reach. You know ever say a 50, 60-year-old how them look good? How them look good? You know ever look past them how they look good and strong and walk up and down? Me no say no blow my mother that say age no blow, sickness no blow no catchy when it a come. No. When you go into the hospital, you see from the babe to the suckling lie down in a hospital bed. So tell me now about the discrimination. Tell me about it now, no? The other one, we put you 6 feet under. It no blow no, ooh, no catch, no blow this and neither. That's why I love the Father up above. There is no discrimination there. No discrimination. I love him. I'm very fair. Now you tell me, what a out of orderness. Old people must come off YouTube. Old people wanna hear that? So here what happen now, old people. Gather around, one and all, and hear what is going to happen. We're not going to hold on the views. We're not going to hold on the likes. And we're not going to hold on the share. And on a subscription. The young people not get it. Yeah. Because when them ready for go a party, they love old people for come drop down them pick their old people foot. You understand me? Because then nobody if you keep them picnic. They want your shares, they want your likes, and they want your subscription. But hold on tight, tune of views, now give them. Don't give it to them. Okay? See you.